Hello and welcome to 13 Paranormal. Today the team have travelled to Moira, Leicestershire, and we invite you to join us as we investigate Moira Furnace. Today, the 13 Paranormal team are in Moira to investigate Moira Furnace. Set on the banks of Ashby de la Zouch Canal, Moira Furnace is a 19th century iron-making blast furnace built in the reign of King George III. Over the years, Moira Furnace was used due to the amount of iron ore and coal that was present in the area, but the furnace closed in 1811 to follow years of dereliction until the site housed the local coal miners up to the 1970s, to then become a heritage centre and country park. Paranormal activity includes the sounds of disembodied voices, a sense of uneasiness in certain areas of the main building, shadows, doors that will slam shut, items being seen thrown, and so much more. So with all of this in mind, what will be in store for the 13 Paranormal team tonight? This is the Bridge House. In here, a previous paranormal group reported having their lock-off cameras lose focus and move when no one else was in the building. Also, a sense of foreboding during a vigil caused this team to leave the area very quickly. So what or who is causing this activity? This is one of the lime kilns here at the furnace. In this area there have been many reports by guests and staff of doors slamming shut and objects being thrown. Plus figures have been sighted down in the workshop as well as items being displaced without explanation. Is this a negative spirit? We will try and uncover the truth.
Moira Furnace was built between 1804 and 1806 by the second Earl of Moira, Francis Rawdon Hastings. It was built here as there was an abundance of coal and iron ore in the local area. Unfortunately, the furnace was not successful due to poor design, construction, management and materials, although those that wrote these reports were said to be trying to divert attention away from themselves, and it closed in 1811. The foundry did still operate until after 1844 by using materials which were sourced elsewhere. There are stories of workers falling into the furnace, being blown up and being suffocated by toxic fumes. After the foundry closed for good, the bridge house and engine house were converted to dwellings for the local coal mining families until the 1970s, when they became derelict and suffered from subsidence caused by the local coal mines. In 1981, the site was acquired by the District Council, who set up a community project to restore and develop the furnace into a museum and country park, which it still is today. With so much history and so many people passing through over the last 2 centuries, we are certain to be in for a fantastic evening.
This is the first time the 13 Paranormal team have visited Moira Furnace, so how have you felt walking around?
Been hearing a lot of noises already, so it'd be interesting to see what's happening.
It'd be nice to see what actually happens tonight. It's a lovely place.
The land and buildings have had many uses over its lifetime, from a workplace, a home and now a museum and country park. So do you think any of the previous occupiers could still roam here?
Definitely.
Yeah, definitely. They want to look after the land, what they owned.
This location has been investigated a few times before, and the results of evidence of the paranormal have been quite interesting. So what are you hoping to achieve today?
Just to see what we can find.
Yeah. I've not really heard much about this place, so it'll be interesting what actually we do find.
We've tried numerous experiments and previous investigations, so is there anything that you want to try here?
I would like to try the spirit box here, to see what can come through.
Is there an area that you're attracted to that you want to investigate already?
So I don't like heights, space.
Yeah, I
This
like to
area.
investigate this first area.
Give us a sign if you're around us, please. If that was you, can you make that noise again? Thank you. If there is a lady, can you try and communicate with us, please? We're here with the most respect. Thank you, if that was you. Could you make that noise again, please? I'm most grateful for your communication. Is it the dust in here that makes your mouth the same?
See, I'm getting a very big man with a very big stomach, and he's got a cigar. And it's like a really fat lip. So it's like the cigar pulls his bottom lip down, and he's got a big lip, bottom lip. And I want to say it's like a top hat type,
Yeah.
with like I want to say it's black with a gold ribbon,
Oh, okay. A band round it.
a band, yeah. Satin, just corrected me, satin, it's a satin gold band.
What was that? Did you hear?
What'd you hear?
Click. There's nothing that goes off automatically here so often, is there?
No, everything that should be on is lights, which we've turned off.
There you go again. I heard it again. Thank you, if that's you confirming what Dean has just said. Could you please make that...
Did you hear that? What was that?
Alright, so if you can feel it through me. Can you feel
I can
it?
feel the energy.
Okay. Thank you very much. Have you come close to us?
That was in there.
Remember, we're here with respect, so can you please respect us too? Thank you. It's wonderful that you're communicating with us. We're all good people. Was Dean correct in the way he described you?
That's a fridge through there.
If you are this gentleman with the hat, did you hear anything then?
It's because I had a name pop in.
With the sash around the hat,
Samuel Burns is what I got. Sorry, don't know why I had to say it like that, but that's how it was. Samuel Burns.
please give us some confirmation if that's right. Make a note.
Yeah, that. And again. And again. And again. And again. Thank you, Mr. Burns. Thank you again. We know that you were around us. I really appreciate the images that you were sending me. And I very much thank you from my heart for giving me your name. If I may ask, Mr. Burns, if you can, could you possibly show yourself as a light for me, please, sir?
Was you a businessman?
Yes.
Can I ask, sir? I don't always like asking this question. Did you die here? Make a noise if it's yes.
I'm getting in.
What is your connection to this place? Why you come back? Can you send a message to one of us? What is that? Can you send a message to one of us? What is that? Can you send a message to one of us? What is that? Can you send a message to one of us? What is that?
That was up there.
What is up there? What's in that bit?
It's a window that goes outside. Because if you go through that door...
Well, it's not windy.
No.
Was that you, sir? It was. Can you do it again, please? 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 Thank you. Thank you for the communication. We won't be getting noise from them, would we?
No.
Too far away? Are they?
Well, technically above, that's where they would be. But it's a stone floor.
Yeah, that first noise that we heard was more located in
Yeah.
that.
These are
was-
more up here.
Yeah.
But to me, it's more there.
It's like tracking. It's like tracking. It's like tracking. It's like tracking. Just radio, do. Just radio and see if they're moving stuff or... Gemma.
Dean to Gemma.
Hello?
Hi, are you guys moving around in the Bridge House?
No, not right now, we're quiet.
In the last 2 minutes, have you moved around at all?
No, not in the last 2 minutes, no.
Thank you. So what on earth is that? That is like, that's dragging. That's like... What is that? What is that? What is that? What is that?
You sure that's outside? Yeah, it's got to be, isn't it?
What, the dragon?
No, where that goes, it goes outside.
That goes outside, but the dragon's
Yeah.
upstairs, but they're...
And that's not a bird. Listen to that. thunder. Should we quickly go outside and listen to that? Stop thunder. Should we quickly go outside and listen to that? Stop thunder. Should we quickly go outside and listen to that? Stop thunder. Should we quickly go outside and... That's thunderous, don't make that noise.
Is it in here as well? Oh, the energy feels very different in here.
I can hear people down there.
Oh, can you hear that?
I can hear.
What is it?
Do you know what?
Do you know it's got really, really cold?
Do you know what I will say? It sounds like right. Horseshoes. Right. I'm not saying galloping. But you know when a horse lifts the foot up
And goes,
and then they put it back down and it's on like concrete or something. You hear that
yeah,
sound?
yeah.
That was 3 times over there.
I heard like scammering, like I don't know, not quite running of humans, but
Do you know what, guys? I really feel like it's something circling around. I'm not 100% comfortable. I'm not frightened, but I'm just a little bit...
apprehensive.
Yeah.
If there are any energies here with us in this building, on this land that would like to communicate, please can you talk through this box? Could you tell us your name, please? If there's a male energy here, could you please tell us your name?
John. We've had that all night, John.
If there's a female energy here, could you please talk through the box and tell us your name? I heard Steph. I heard Steph.
I heard something like, hi, Steph.
Is your name Steph? Or was you saying hi to Steph that's here with us now? If there's any energies here with us now, please can you come forward? You can go towards any of the grey boxes or the black boxes with the green lights on top. If you go towards those, they'll just flash. It'll just prove to us that you're here with us now. Oh. Oh.
Oh, door's opening.
Hello?
Hello?
Would you like to come in? Come in.
Hello, come on into the room.
Or shut the door if you don't want to come in. Can you close it again, please, if you don't want to come in? In fact, if you do come in, can you close it behind you? We're really grateful. Gets a little bit of a draft if it's left open. That's it. Keep shutting it. Push it shut. Big push. If you can push it open, we're sure you can push it shut. Did someone move something?
I felt something on this table.
I heard.
Well, I heard something on the table.
So have you come in and haven't shut the door?
How do you think the investigation went tonight?
Really interesting.
Yeah, really good. Really enjoyed it.
What part of the investigation did you enjoy the most?
The loft room and the room above the base room.
Yeah, the bridge house and the main house, especially the main house.
What area did you think was the most active?
Probably the room above the base room.
Yeah, main house, yeah. Easily.
Would you like to come back?
Definitely.
Oh yeah, definitely.
After another successful investigation, the team can now rest until the next time. So on behalf of myself and the rest of the 13 Paranormal team, thank you for watching.